to my channel. So I wanted to make this video because I had a lot of people asking me about my vanity. So I basically needed a new vanity because my kids broke my NYX one. So I was kind of holding off on it because, you know, I've been busy. We finally moved, and now I have room for my vanity. So one day my boyfriend was just like, babe, I'm gonna make you a vanity. And I'm like, what are you talking about? You're gonna make me a vanity? I want my vanity from IKEA. He's like, no, I'll make you a vanity. And I'm like, okay. I didn't know this, but he literally before that was on YouTube looking at do-it-yourself vanities. I love him so much. So he was like, all right, let's go get the stuff to make your vanity. I'm like, okay, whatever. So we got the Alex drawer dupes. Basically, we went to Michael's and we got the drawers from there. You know, Michael's always has a sale, and those drawers were on sale for $59.99. We got lucky with that. The drawers in IKEA are about $89.99, I think, or $85.99. I don't know, one of those two. So we got the two drawers, and I'm like, okay, next we have to get the tabletop. Now the measurements for the tabletop in regards to the drawers from Michael's, they have to be 48 by 15.75. But you can find it in like Home Depot and stores like that, home improvement stores. Next we had to find the mirror. Now we went all over looking for a mirror. We went to Home Goods. It was kind of expensive. I was like, no, let me look around. So I finally found a mirror for 12 bucks from Big Lots. It was a really, really good deal. They had honestly a lot of like border colors, but yeah, mine is like black, something like that. So we got that from Big Lots, and then next I went looking for the stool that I wanted. So we got my stool from Hobby Lobby. Not that many people probably have a Hobby Lobby around them, so you can probably like check your Target or your Walmart and things like that. My stool was $27.99. So the mirror was 12, the stool was $27.99. My tabletop was 12 bucks. And the two drawers were 60 bucks each. So everything came out to 170 and change, or something like that. 173, something like that, but less than $200. It was a really, really, really good deal. And honestly, it came out looking beautiful. I found my I found my brush holders. Like I got like cups and stuff like that to hold my brushes. I got them in Hobby Lobby as well. I think it was 3 for $5, 3 of them. Yeah, 3 of them for $5. It's really not bad at all. You can I think you can order online as well. But honestly, you can get like little dividers and things like that from anywhere. But yeah, basically this is my video. I want to let you guys know really, really quick how much was my vanity and where did I get my things from. So thank you and see you next time.